Hello everyone. So today we are going to draw the basic thing, okay? Like if in studies there is ABCD, so in drawing also some steps are there. That is also ABCD. So that we are going to learn today. And small kids also can learn this, and even you are in advanced level or you are know very well, but if you practice these things, then your drawing will be very perfect. Okay, so please practice this. Okay, at least if you practice this twice a week, then it will very good for you. Okay, see, nothing, you have to just draw the curve line. Okay, curve line, one by one, just you have to draw the curve line. And one more thing, you have to hold your pencil with a gap. Okay, if you hold your pencil with a gap, then it will be very easy for you to draw the curve lines, even straight line also. Okay, see, curve line, perfect curve line. Just do the curve line. If you practice this at least twice a week or more than that, your drawing will be very nice. Okay, okay, so we have done this. Now start it from here, from this side. Yeah, many of you will tell it's a mixture of hatching technique, countering technique. Yeah, it's a that kind of technique. We use this kind of technique to shade, huh? Just one by one, just try to fill it. Okay. So first page, this is the first homework. Okay, this is the first page homework, and now the second page. Nothing. First we have done the curve. Now we have to do the straight line. Straight line like this. And same, we have to hold your pencil with a gap. Just try to draw the straight line. Okay, if you hold your pencil with a gap, then you can draw very easily the straight lines. Okay, see, straight lines. You have to fill this, okay, one by one. Now start from here, this side. That was curve and this is straight line. Okay, if your line by mistake it's not straight, so don't go for erasing it, just go and do it, go and doing. Okay, don't stop. Because this is a practice work, it's for beginners, and those who have not missed practice for many long time, they also can do this. And if if you do this now, your drawing will be very perfect day by day. Because see, with the drawing is see, with the made up of circle, straight line, curved line, and dot. With the this three things, we draw we can draw any kind of drawing. Like for kids also, they use this kind of things to draw. Even elders also use this. Even you can with if you use this to draw hyper realistic drawing, you can draw with this. Okay, so you have to learn this. Dot is very easy, so I'm not going for this, but you have to learn these three things. Okay, so curved line we have learned. See, now just draw the line. Now just go on doing this. Okay, curve shape, water wave shape. Okay, like a wave of the water. Okay, you have to do the curved line like this. This is the second page, na? Second, that was the first page. You have to practice this. Then just draw the again line straight. But don't use scale. Okay, don't use scale to draw this. Now just draw the triangle shape. Okay, you can draw this. And this is little bit tough. Okay, then next one is this one. See how you have to draw curve like this. Okay, like a E. Is a design. Okay, you have to do this at least twice a week. If you practice at least 2 page, then means all of this page, if you practice this, then it will be very good for you. Okay, just like this you have to do one by one. Okay, you have to draw this. Okay, so total how many page we have done? One, two, sorry, this is 3, 4, this is 5th, 5, means 5 days 5 work I have given. Now 6 and 7. Now we are going to do the circle. See, first try to do the circle small, then big, then big, then big, like this. Just do one by one. Let it be imperfect. Okay, just try to do it this. More bigger, more bigger, more bigger, more bigger. More bigger. Then come to in the middle part slowly, slowly. Okay, come to middle part like this. Then again go for means anti-clockwise direction, clockwise direction, one by one. Okay, just practice this. Okay, at least do this 2-3 times. Okay, so this page. Now the second is means the next, not the second. Just draw the lines. Just try to draw the circles. One by one. Okay, and don't erase this because we are practicing it. You can use any kind of paper. Even you can use newspaper also to draw this. Okay, this is a practice work. Like in study we have ABCD, and in drawing we have this. Without practicing this you are not able to draw anything. If you can't draw this, then you are not able to draw any kind of drawing, because drawing is best on these things only: circle, curved line, straight line. Okay, so you have to learn, you have to practice this. Okay, like this you have to do it. Now the last thing, not the list, just draw the 8. We write 8 na, 1 1 2 3, that 8, that we will draw it continuously. Okay, try to do it speed. Okay, because it's a rough work, practice work, so try to do it speed, and don't sit and erase it and again do it. Just go and do it. Okay, just try to do it speed, with the speed. Okay, so at least practice this pages at least twice a week. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, one page extra. It will take just I think 15 minutes. It will take not more than that, I think. So if you practice, if you give at least 30 minutes per week, then your drawing will be very fast. Okay, so bye.